Okay, we got a 2020 Subaru WRX. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system because what happened to these cars, the only way the alarm sets off is if somebody opens the door. But you know, what happened was they went ahead and they got over here and busted this guy's window. The guy jumped in without opening any of the doors. Okay, I'm gonna rearm it again. Okay. The shock sensor is fully adjustable. We adjust it where we think he's going to be okay because if you notice in the beginning of the video, you heard a big plane go by. He lives right literally next to the airport. So I got to play with the vibration of the planes a little bit. But actually you hear another plane coming by now. But yeah, you can already show the customer what he can adjust the sensor himself. So he can turn it up and down until he finds a sweet spot. You hear the plane coming? So actually I'm going to put my hand and see if I actually feel the vibration. I feel maybe a slight vibration, but a lot of times these planes do fly even lower. But anyway, if somebody tries to bust out even the keyhole, fire off. Let's go ahead and rearm it. Then we'll wait, go ahead and kick the tire. That should fire it off. Not reporting any tire theft on this vehicle. Not like the Honda Accords and all the other vehicles that they're going after rims and tires. But yeah, I mean, they are breaking in these type of cars and trying to see what they can find inside and whatnot. Give it another second. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the tire. See, actually another plane's coming. So this one's pretty loud. See if I feel a vibration here. I do not. Wait till the plane gets even closer. Yeah, I think he's gonna be okay with the planes. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the back tire. Okay, that shuts off the alarm. So yeah, this is definitely a must upgrade to this vehicle, and any vehicle that has a factory alarm, to add on the shock sensor, because you definitely don't need to wake up in the morning and have this nonsense of a broken glass, you know. So anyway, our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist, and we're located in Miami, Florida. For anybody out of state, you can always call us, and I can help you possibly how to get this done in your hometown. Thank you for watching this video.